Well, welcome, welcome. This is a gluten-free banana date seed muffin, and it's almost zero carbs. It's super, super spongy. Look at this. It's absolutely moist and delicious. I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of ground flaxseed, which I've already measured out. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I like to level it off. I'm just using this baking powder right here. Nothing special. You can do it with any baking powder you like. And I use the brown flax seeds, not even, I just use any flax seeds that I grind in my Vitamix. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of the psyllium husk powder. And can you see it? Just a tablespoon. Add some extra fiber to that. There we go. All right. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. It looks like a lot more than a teaspoon, but it is just a teaspoon of salt, okay? And get that really mixed well. There we go. I'm going to use 3 eggs. I like to crack my eggs separately just in case they have a little hatchling in it or something strange, because these are farm eggs. There we go. That egg's good. Farm eggs are often iffy. Sometimes, anyway, I should say. There we go. That one's good. And a 3rd egg. Yep, that's good. All right, nice fresh eggs. Okay, let's get that mixed up really, really well. It'll start to clump up a little bit. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to this once it's blended really well. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to heat up a little bit of the hot water. There we go. Simple. Now goes in the 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can measure if you like. I don't need to, because this is a very forgiving dough. It's a very shaggy, very wet dough. So here we have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That helps the leavening agent. When you're working without gluten, you're going to need that little extra boost of leavening agent, okay? I've already blended up 2 bananas and 4 dates. This is konjac root powder. It's glucomannan, right? And I'm going to add some of that in there also for that extra fiber. Let's add this wonderful banana and dates that I blended up in the Vitamix. Nice, thick, delicious. Smells so sweet. Oh, delicious. So we may not need any of the water, but I'm going to heat it up anyway, just in case. I might just add a few drops, right? This is going to be baked at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. You can make muffins or you can make a loaf. So this doesn't look like it needs any water at all. Can you see that? So I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of hot water here. All right, that's just a tablespoon. Now the fibers, like the psyllium husk and the flax seeds and the glucomannan, they soak up so much moisture. This is completely sugar-free, gluten-free. It doesn't rise like regular gluten, but it will rise enough, right? I'm going to butter up the pan, and then I'm going to pour this in there and bake it. Again, that's going to be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's going to be about 30 minutes, and then I'll check it. So if I can stick a flat knife into the cooked muffin and it comes out clean in the center, then you know it's done. It's a very forgiving, high-fiber, gluten-free, delicious, sugar-free, one-net carb dessert. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and if you enjoyed it. Or also let me know if you improved it. I'm going to add just a little bit of the glucosamine powder. So this is 1 teaspoon. There we go. And if you have an improved recipe, I'd love to hear it. Please share with me your improved recipe in the comments below. This is going to start setting very, very well. There. In the oven, 350, 30 minutes in a buttered pan. That was it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.